everyone, so today I'm going to talk about the newest launch by Lakme, which is their Enrich Lip Crayons. I was so excited to see a new launch by Lakme, and that too at 185 rupees. I was so surprised. I thought I have read the price wrong. I read it again and it was 185. I knew there has to be a catch, but because these days even the lip balms are priced at rupees 200, so I ordered a couple of them online and then I waited patiently for them to get delivered. And the biggest surprise was the size. So this is the size of crayons. As you can see, it is almost the size of a lip balm, maybe a slightly longer than that. But these are very teeny tiny. I was so surprised. These are priced at rupees 185 and they come with a sharpener. This dual sharpener. I picked 8 colors. One thing I observed, as always, Lakme has launched too many reds and pinks. There are a couple of corals also, but there is only one brown, which is cinnamon color. This is the only brown they have launched. The rest all of them are pink, mauve, corals, oranges and reds. But one thing is, like, these are really small and good to carry in your handbag. And I know I have like more than 40 lipsticks in my stash and I haven't been able to finish even one. So I think this size is really good. Like for 125 you can have more shades and you can play with more shades, especially if you are on budget or if you are a college going girl. I think you're going to enjoy these lipsticks. Also, I like the formula. These are like creamy but they are not glossy, so they are more on the creamy matte side. The formula is sheer, so if you have darker lips or pigmented lips, you might have to layer them up a couple of times. It stays on for a decent time, like for 4 hours on me, and it is good, like it is moisturizing as well. So I don't see any downside, any drawback, except the sharpening thing. But then in 185 you cannot ask for much, right? Because this product is like decent. So you can give these a try. These can be really fun products. So I'm going to swatch all the shades one by one as always, and yeah, let's get into it. So these were the swatches. I hope you guys enjoyed these swatches, and the surprise thing in this video is a giveaway. So one of you is going to win 5 of these lip crayons. Yeah, all you have to do is just click on the link in the description bar and enter there. You have to be a subscriber, which is like a must and mandatory entry. So just click on the link and it will take you to a form. Just fill your details there and one winner will be announced in 10 days from now. You just have to come back to the same video and the name of the winner will be announced in the description. So that's all you have to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. In case you are planning to buy any of the shades online, I hope these swatches will be really helpful for you. And if you're watching me for the first time, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then.